Hello students, I am Sachin Kumar. I am going to teach you physics of class 9 chapter first motion. And today topic is scalar and vector quantities. Scalar and vector quantities. In physics, we deal with a large number of a physical quantity. What is a physical quantity? Which quantity can be measured are known as physical quantity. All physical quantity can be classified into two groups, scalar and vector quantities. Let us understand the difference between scalar and vector quantity. Now, what is a scalar quantity? Scalar quantity. Scalar quantity scalar quantity are those quantities those physical quantities. Scalar quantity are those physical quantity which have which have only magnitude and no direction. Scalar quantity are those physical quantity which have only magnitude and no direction. Scalar quantity are those physical quantity which have only magnitude and no direction. These quantity only require magnitude but no direction. We can say scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Scalar quantities and vector quantities. Vector quantities are those physical quantity which have magnitude as well as direction. What vector quantity? Vector quantity are those physical quantity which have magnitude as well as direction. Follow the vector additional. As a such as I running in the morning 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer. 5 is numerical value and kilometer is unit. Then 5 kilometer is magnitude. 5 kilometer towards south. I move 5 kilometer towards south. 5 is numerical value, kilometer units, and towards direction. Magnitude and direction is vector quantity. 5 kilometer is only magnitude, but no direction. No direction. 5 kilometer magnitude and towards south with direction. With direction. Magnitude and direction, which quantity have requires magnitude and direction is called vector quantity, but which quantity have only magnitude and no direction is square quantity. 5 kilometer is only magnitude but no direction, then square quantity. 5 kilometer towards south, magnitude with direction, vector quantity. Some example of square quantity: length, distance, area, volume, mass, time, power. All these example of scalar quantity. And vector quantity: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, weight, momentum, etc. One example of scalar quantity: distance. Example of vector quantity: displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity because displacement requires magnitude and direction. So displacement is vector quantity. What? Distance is scalar quantity because distance have only required magnitude. So distance is scalar quantity.